In this video, I'm super excited to share with you guys how I've been making anywhere between $181 and $643 in a day with Digistore 24 and this new website over here where I've been allowed to be posting unlimited ads to literally get unlimited traffic every single day. Now what I like about this, when you post your ad, this website's going to do all of the hard work for you. All you need to do is set up your ad once. Your ad will be listed on this website for 30 days. Within those 30 days, this website will automatically get clicks, traffic to your ad where you can get tons of sales and commissions from there. I've got my digistore24.com account connected to my Payoneer account, which is my virtual US bank account, which from there I can withdraw to my local currency in South Africa. So over here you can see is the Digistore 24 payment I got of $1,200.61 on the 23rd of July with a total of $1,228 in my account. I use Payoneer for ClickBank, Digistore and jbzoo.com as it's much easier to have my virtual US bank account Payoneer as the man in the middle to receive US dollar payments since I'm not from the United States. Then from there I can withdraw those dollars to my South African rands, which will automatically do the currency exchange for me. So if you're not in the United States, I recommend use Payoneer as a virtual US bank account as the man in the middle to get paid US dollar payments worldwide. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how I make money online and build multiple affiliate marketing businesses, drop servicing businesses, drop shipping businesses, landing page, email campaigns, and all the necessary tools and skills you need to build subscriber lists, build an audience, and build a successful business online. If you want to follow my journey, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Make sure to leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up to see your positive comments and likes, as I love bringing out new content for you guys on the daily. And if you want to learn how to master the art of selling rare high income skills and services around the world without actually doing that work yourself, that means services like app development, designing websites, coding, IT, copywriting, digital marketing, social media marketing, all sorts of services like that where people pay you hundreds to thousands of dollars per project and you don't even need to do that work yourself. Drop servicing is another term called outsourcing, and in this program over here I teach you how to design successful corporate landing pages that sell your services, and all you're going to do is you're going to go over to freelance marketplaces, use them to perform your services at huge markup. All you need to do is transfer the work from your service provider to your client and keep anywhere between 300 to 800% markup as the man in the middle, and you didn't do any of the hard work. If you want to learn how to master the skill and develop the skill, make sure to click on the first link in the description. It will take you to a web page like this. I recommend read through it. This video over here shows you exactly what's in this program. There's no flexing cars or Lambos. It's straight to the studio, in depth, in work. I'm looking for hardcore students that really want to succeed with this. I show all my results, multiple student results, a whole bunch of extra bonuses that you get with this program as well, and a huge discount coupon that's also running at the moment. So if you want to go and take a look at all of this down below, make sure to click on the first link in the description and I'll see you over there. And I will also announce the winner of yesterday's $20 giveaway winner at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until the end so that you can see if you won $20. If you want to win another $20 in today's video, all you need to do is leave a like. You need to make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on and comment down below how many times I say the word Digistore in this video. I'll put it on the screen so you can see how to spell it. Comment down below the right answer. Out of those comments that got it correct, I will choose a random comment in tomorrow's video for you to win $20. So make sure to go and do that, and let's get straight into the first step. Step number 1 is to come over to digistore24.com. Digistore is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation, including tax automation. This is a website where people, entrepreneurs, businesses all over the world list their digital products, courses, or services for you to go and sell. They've already created this product for you, already done for you checkouts, done for you landing pages, All you need to do is go and promote their products, and you will get a commission anywhere between 30 and even sometimes up to 80% per sale that you make. So if you want to skip all the hard work of creating your own product, creating your own service, creating your own landing pages, Digistore24 is a great website to go and promote other people's products. You're going to click on register now on the top right of the screen. It will take you to the sign up page. You want to select affiliate as the sign up option over here. Enter your username, your affiliate link will automatically generate. Enter your email, password, your time zone, your title, and your company information if you have one. Click on register for free now. What I like about this, there's no submission process or waiting. You sign up immediately and you can get started with promoting these products. Once you've signed in, it's going to take you to your dashboard like this, where you'll be able to see your earnings as an affiliate from today all the way to about 5 days ago. You want to click on the marketplace on the top right over here, and it will take you to the marketplace where you can view all the different categories and all the different products that you can go and promote right now. Let's take this example, not that we're going to use it. Over here is a Meticore weight loss product. You will get 85% commission and you will get an earnings of $126.90 per sale that you make. In this particular video and example, a popular niche that I've been using is fitness and health. Why I've chosen fitness and health is because it's an industry that will never die. A lot of people always want to improve their health, lose weight, gain weight, and reach their fitness goals. So we can utilize that market to sell specific products and services and make money with that. Over here, if you scroll down, you will see the specific product over here, the Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop. This is a workshop that this entrepreneur has created to set a challenge or a goal for people that want to lose weight, whether you're male or female, to lose your first 10 pounds. This product costs $40. You get $30 commissions once off amount, and take a look at all these video bonuses and workshops over here that you can include in this product. All you need to do is click on promote now. And over here, you can see your affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link, paste this in a new tab and click on enter. And here you can see is the done for you landing page, the little known nutrition synthesis tweak that helped Ginger lose 42 pounds in 90 days and keeps on going. So if I scroll down, you can see there's an entire sales page showing reviews, video reviews, explaining about this product works, maybe storytelling. And if you eventually get down to the bottom of the page, you'll see over here you can get instant access for $27 instead of just $527. Once your lead clicks on get instant access, it will take them to the direct checkout page that's already been created for you, where you will get $30 commission. But now there's one more step that we need to do in between all of this to add all of this together and maximize our earnings with this. What we need to go and do is we need to go and create a bridge page, our own little landing page that collects emails. Why we want to do this is because we actually want to build a subscriber list of potential leads that are interested in this product to get them back for more sales. You'll see over here, if you come back to this product on digistore24.com and you click on the affiliates support page, it will take you this page over here where you can actually get your own email swipes already made for you, and it will basically explain what kind of commissions you earn. You want to click here for the email swipe copy, and you want to keep this Google Documents open here in a new tab. Now, in order to go and create our bridge page with our email marketing system that will send out these emails to our leads to get them back for more sales and commissions, we need a tool to do so. I'm going to use this tool over here called Builderall.com. Firstly, because it's the cheapest. It only costs $1 for the first month, unlike ClickFunnels or Kartra that costs over $200 a month. It's affordable and honestly better than Kartra and ClickFunnels. And this is a tool that I really recommend if you want to become an aspiring online entrepreneur, build successful landing pages, and build a proper funnel that can actually convert you into sales. In order to go and get this tool for $1, you can click on the second link in the description. I've created a checkout for you where this tool will be marked down all the way to $1. So make sure to go and click on that.